A big shout out to everybody, and in this video I want to show you how you can be able to use WhatsApp to set up your product or business, then use social media to promote it. Anybody who goes through the social media platform which you have for your business, such as Facebook, and they get to see the link to your product, they can actually contact you directly via WhatsApp. Like, everybody is using WhatsApp. Welcome to ME IT Solution. If this is what you want to learn, I'll suggest you like the video and also subscribe to the channel, where you get to receive updates in our subsequent videos we drop. So a tool that we're going to use for this is WhatsApp Business. So if you don't have WhatsApp Business, kindly head on to Play Store and download that. All right. So once you have WhatsApp Business has a feature that allows you to set up catalogs. Like, you know what I mean? It allows you to set up catalogs to show your product or service. Like, you know what I mean? You can see it right here, show products and services. So if you're a business person, make use of this particular tool called WhatsApp Business. All right. You will be able to get leads directly to your WhatsApp. Virtually everybody is using WhatsApp nowadays. Okay. So in Nigeria, so it's a good chance people can connect with you directly. People can connect you one on one and do what? Get your service. All right. So this is how you set it up. Can you see this place called Catalog? This place called Catalog. If you click on it, you'll see add new item, add collection. I'll tell you what it means. This new item, you use it to add whatever service or whatever product you're selling, you're into. All right. Then this add collection, you use it to group items. Like, I do registration for international exams. People who want to register for TOEFL, IELTS, GRE, I register them. So I put all of those items in a collection. That is why when you get to international exams, my collection called international exams, and you click on see all, you're going to see anything related to international exams. So this is the power of what? Catalog, to showcase your product and service. So this is how you do it. Click on catalog, add new item. This is where you get to add what? Your profile, your photos and videos. Like, I'm sure if you're into a particular business, you have a proof of, like, you taking shots from it. You understand? Like, let me say you are an IT personnel, you repair computer systems, you should have pictures and videos of you at work doing your job, so that when people get to click this link, they will find on social media, on social media spaces like Facebook and the rest, and they get to click it, they can resonate with what you do. Do you understand? So that's what works. So the first thing you need to do is to add pictures. So if you have picture, this one do a sample so you get to see how it is. Let me see. Um, do I have any marketing stuff right here? Let me say I sold shirts, right? So I can just click on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then click on it. It gets added as a picture. Then let me say I want to brand this. Okay. So I want to brand this. All right. So I can say branded t-shirts. I'll put it in the name. Then whatever price I'm selling it, let me say it could be 35. You can leave this one. This is optional. This particular one here. This one here is optional sales price. You can just leave it that way. Um, you can also put a description. Now this is what you got to do if you're looking for a description. Very easy. You don't need to sit and start thinking too much. So you just copy what is the item name, copy it, then head on to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will do the work for you. So you basically the boss, after it has generated the content for you, please go through it too. It's not gonna add and remove those services that you're doing. Like you have to prompt it though. So what you have to do here is allow the AI understand what you want to do so that you can be able to tailor the results down to your need. Alright? I am setting up a product known as branded t-shirt on my WhatsApp catalog. Kindly write me a description about those shirts using short form sales copy and an action word, an action word for those who will buy. Let them chat me on 08 blah 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 blah. Let me say this is your phone number now. Then you now hit the enter. Let's see what it's going to generate. Like, you know what I mean? Let's see how it's going to generate some stuff. Style, comfort, identity, where your brand will price. This high quality t-shirts, casual with items, soft fabric, stuff. Okay, if you like this, you can copy it. If you don't like it, you can go ahead and tell it what you want. Prompt it. Okay, so what next? I have to go back to the WhatsApp stuff. So I'll type here branded t-shirt. So the price was 35. Sorry, 35. So sorry, let me get this done, please. So the next thing I have to do is put in the description, and this option is for you to hide the item. Probably you're still making some edits and you just want to still upload it. So when you're done, you click on save. So it's going to upload and it will be reviewed by WhatsApp team. All right. Once it get reviewed, you be sent a message that your this is how it appears. All right. But I'll soon be deleting this because I don't do this. So you go and receive a message that your product has been approved. Do you understand? Then what you need to do next is to do a copy it, copy the link, copy the link. Let me say I'm selling this now. Right now, I'm not going to wait for this to be approved. So let me say I'm selling this, right? Yeah. So once I click on it, the same way you will do for the products, after yours has been approved, do this the same process. Then click on share, click on copy link. Then this link you've copied, go to your social media which you're going to use to promote your business. Go and paste it there alongside the content. Let people know that if they are interested in getting this service, they can contact you. So the moment they contact you, you will appear. You will see a message. They're not going to say hi to you. They will only see your product and they can see how many they can order and they can place an order. So once they place an order, you'll be notified. You will receive their WhatsApp number. The order will be placed with their WhatsApp number. So you'll be notified. When you're notified, you can chat with the client. So that's a very easy way to do that. I You can demonstrate, you can practice it. Copy your link, share to a friend. Okay, make post about it using AI. I did a video on that. You can watch it. How you can use ChatGPT to craft what content that will sell. Then, if you make the content on probably Facebook or any other social media, ask the friend to click the link. If the friend clicks the link, when the friend clicks the link, sorry, you will they will be taken to their WhatsApp where they can select how many quantities they want and place an order. Once they place an order, you will receive the notification. Do you understand? Just like how the supermarket works, you will receive a notification that so person is interested in this, so you can get to connect with the person, understand the person's needs. All right. and seal the deal. All right. So this is a video on how you could be able to use WhatsApp to do what? To promote your business, to set up your products and post it on social media forums, platforms that can help you gain visibility and lead. All right. If you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe, kindly like. If you have a comment, you have an additional stuff to make, kindly put it down in the comment section. I'll be there to pick it up and respond to you. All right. See ya.